Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. Today we have a very creamy, cheesy pasta dish which you're going to love. The ingredients are pasta pennes, grated gouda cheese, grated parmesan cheese, olive oil, Canadian bacon, garlic, fresh mushrooms, cooking cream, and salt. Let's begin by cooking the pasta first. You're going to need around 1.5 liters of water. Bring it to a boil, add olive oil, a couple of pinches of salt for seasoning, and then add the pasta. The package instructions say for al dente, 9 to 10 minutes of cooking time. Every couple of minutes, give them a good stir so they don't stick together and to see how they're doing. Sorry for all that steam that you're seeing on the video. The pasta has been cooking for around 10 minutes, so it should be ready. Now it's time to drain it. For this recipe, you're going to need a stainless steel pot. We want medium heat. Add the olive oil and then the bacon. We're going to cook the bacon for around a minute, and at the bottom of the pot, you're going to start to see it turning golden brown. That's what we're looking for, and that is what's going to add all that flavor to this recipe. Let's add the garlic now and stir it around the bacon for a couple of seconds. Let's add the mushrooms now and cook everything together for a couple more minutes while stirring. See the bottom of the pot, the way it's turned golden brown. That's what we want before we add the cooking cream. Now, let's add the cooking cream. When we add the cooking cream, it's going to soften the bottom of the pot. So when we're stirring, make sure to scrape the bottom and you'll start slowly to see little golden flakes appear in the cream, and that's what we want. Let's add now a couple of pinches of salt. Keep stirring and scraping the bottom until the cream starts to bubble. Now that the cream is starting to bubble, we're going to first add the parmesan cheese. And give everything a little stir. And then we're going to add the gouda cheese. Now that we put in the parmesan cheese, the gouda cheese, and mixed everything around, the cooking cream is going to become nice and cheesy. After adding the two cheeses and stirring for a couple of seconds, it's time to add the pasta. After adding the pasta, mix very well so everything becomes creamy and cheesy. Don't forget, as you're mixing everything around, to give the bottom of the pan a little scrape for that extra lovely flavor. And there you have it, a lovely pasta dish with a lot of flavor. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!